my foundation was wrought, my tried and true way to deal was to vanish. My departures were old, I stood in the room, shaking in my boots. At that particular time, love had challenged me to stay. At that particular moment, I knew not to run away again. At that particular month, I was ready to investigate with you. At that particular time, we thought a break would be good for fun as we sat and vacillated. We thought a small time apart would clear up the doubts that were abounding. At that particular time, love encouraged me to wait. At that particular moment, it helped me to be patient. At that particular month, we needed time to marinate in what us meant. At that particular time, I've always wanted for you what you wanted for yourself, and yet I wanted to save us time, water or hell, and I kept on ignoring the ambivalence you felt, and in the meantime I lost myself. In the meantime I lost myself. I'm sorry I lost myself. I am. You knew you needed more time, time spent alone with no distraction. You felt you needed to fly, so learned high to define what you wanted. And that particular time, love encouraged me to leave. And that particular moment, I knew staying with you meant deserting me. That particular month was harder than you'd believe, but I still left at that particular time.